Hi, I'm Renee Seltzer, founder of Feeding My Kid, and I'd like to invite you to sign up for our free newsletter where you're going to get tips and tricks and recipes and ideas on how to get your whole family to eat more nutritiously, how to overcome picky eating, how to help your underweight child or overweight child maintain a healthy weight, and more importantly, a healthy body image, and really kind of learn to self-regulate volume of food. You're going to get so much important stuff, so just sign up. And we're going to cover things like the first year when you hear that bad advice of, hey, you know, food is just for fun. It's not. This is where kids learn texture and consistency in different flavors. And we're really, doing a disservice by saying things like food is just for fun, or, oh, he still has baby fat, he'll grow out of that. Well, the reality is he probably won't, and we're going to give you a lot of great tips on how to help kids ease into a really healthy relationship with food. You're going to get so many tips and tricks on how to overcome when your kid says, yuck, I'm not going to eat that, and how to get your kid to go from eating Doritos and hot dogs every day to eventually kind of moving that barge over until they're eating salmon and asparagus and Brussels sprouts, because that's really the goal, right? That's why we feel guilty as parents. Our kids aren't eating healthy enough sometimes, and that's a lot of guilt that we're carrying around. So you're going to actually get tools and tricks on how to overcome that, so you feel a lot less guilt and your kids really develop this healthy relationship with food. It's a total win, and it's going to be so easy. It gets delivered right to you. We get millions and millions of visitors to our site every year, and we are here to help. We've aggregated this huge range of knowledge about picky eating, about autism and eating, and really anything related to food, and put it together in one destination to make your life easier. So sign up. I invite you to join the tribe, and I look forward to getting to know you. Ask questions, share advice, post pictures. This is as much your experience as it is mine. So I look forward to getting to know you. Welcome to the community, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.